going on, guys? Today we are doing a full decontamination and machine polish on this BMW 3 Series. We are starting off with the decontamination. Okay, so starting off with the wheels, we are using an iron reactor to break down any iron particles. This is the first step to the decontamination process. So wheels are now done. Moving on to the body. Iron remover first. Ooh, there we go. Okay, so the iron out is now on the paintwork. We are gonna SnowFoam it because we don't want to let it dry. Go. Now that's had some time to work, we jet it down. Now that the exterior have been washed, we're just going to be drying the bottom parts of the vehicle because we'll be using a tar and glue remover. Don't really get much tar and glue all over the car, it's just more around the area of the wheels. So dry that and then tar and glue remover, and then we wash it again. Okay, you can use a cloth or a pad for this, and then just go over these parts. now that the tar and glue has been removed, we need to wash it again before clay barring, and that's the decontamination process done. Okay, now that that's done, we get onto the clay bar. We're going to use SnowFoam as our lubricant, so we'll start from the top, SnowFoam the top, clay bar it, then the side, clay bar it, and work our way around. Car is now clay barred. We can jet it down and move on to the polish. Now we do the door shuts, wheels. Okay, now we use a 50-50 water alcohol mix just to wipe it down, make sure there's no greases, any wax, just remove anything, and that way the paintwork will be completely ready for polishing. We about to get cracking with the machine polish. Let's go.
JP.
Now that the one stage is done, we now tire shine and give it a final touch up. And there you have it, guys. Full decontamination and one stage polish. Color really popped out. Couldn't remove every single scratch, but we have most definitely improved this car majorly.